The magical world of musical instruments. Music is like a magical language that can touch our hearts and make us feel happy, sad, or even dance with joy. Musical instruments are like the special tools that help us create this magical language. There are many different kinds of musical instruments, and each one has its own unique sound and way of making music. In this essay, we will explore some of these instruments and discover why they are so special. Let's start our musical journey with the piano. It is a big and beautiful instrument that has lots of keys. When we press these keys, it produces a sound. The piano can play soft and gentle tunes or loud and powerful melodies. It can make us feel calm or excited. We can play happy songs and sad songs on the piano, and it always sounds amazing. Next, let's talk about the guitar. It is a string instrument that we can strum or pluck to create music. The guitar has a wonderful sound that can make us want to sing along or dance. It can be a little tricky to learn at first, but with practice, we can become great guitar players. Now, let's move on to the violin. It is a small and delicate instrument that we hold under our chin. We use a bow to stroke the strings and create beautiful melodies. The violin can make us feel like we are in a fairy tale or a peaceful garden. It is often used to play classical music and can be very soothing to listen to. Next, let's make some noise with the drums. Drums are percussion instruments that we hit with sticks or our hands to create rhythm. They can make us want to dance or march to the beat. Drums can be loud, but they also help keep the music together and make it more exciting. Now, let's explore the flute. It is a small and shiny instrument that we blow into to make music. When we play the flute, it sounds like a sweet and gentle bird singing. It can make us feel like we are flying in the sky or walking through a magical forest. The flute is often used to play beautiful melodies in songs and orchestras. Last but not least, let's talk about the trumpet. It is a brass instrument that we blow into and use our lips to make sounds. The trumpet has a bold and powerful sound that can make us feel energetic and excited. It is often used in marching bands and jazz music. When we hear the trumpet, it can make us want to dance or clap our hands. In conclusion, musical instruments are like friends that help us express our feelings and create beautiful melodies. Whether it's the piano, guitar, violin, drums, flute, or trumpet, each instrument has its own special sound and way of making music. They can make us feel happy, sad, calm, or excited. So, let's embrace the magical world of musical instruments and let the music take us on a wonderful journey of emotions and imagination.